So how does the Scrum process work? So the Scrum process is basically simple. You start with the product backlog, and what is that? A wish list, right? You have items on the wish list, like on a Saturday morning you get up and your wife, she gives you a list. These are things you have to do, and none of that you complete. But here you have to make sure that you complete something. And how do you do that? So you pick up certain items from that and define within a given sprint of, let's say, 30 days, you will build something, an increment which is probably potentially shippable or ready to go, has some value, may not be ready product, but something which is releasable, something which has some usable value. So that's what you create at the end of 30 days. Now why this is nice and important, because as I said, in companies the biggest challenge is inertia, and the inertia is sometimes not self-imposed, but it comes from outside. Why from outside?
Competition. No.
Competition also. Competition can bribe you to be slow. But more than that,
It's the culture.
the culture of the organization, the complexity. Think about it. Companies have 10,000 people working in 50 different offices. That's the nature of my team. I have an India office, an Israel office, and how many of us have that situation? And product development happens in 5 different asynchronous zones in 8 different languages, and some of them do not even understand English.
Good example is Walmart.
Walmart. Okay, how?
Indonesia. I mean, that's why I don't expect them to be anywhere, near the new smaller companies.
Yeah. Any company which becomes bigger has a big challenge. It is difficult to survive. Very few companies, Walmart is probably 60, 70 years old, and the fact that it has survived and grown itself is a huge thing, right? Probably even today, it's 2015 revenues, if you check, it's the largest company in the world, right? So I don't think it is easy to build a big company like that. And having built that, for that company to adapt to the changes, that's the second piece. We don't know how this will go. Like he said, maybe Walmart will have 20% market share and Amazon will die. I hope nobody.
What I mean, the online sales will automatically grow in the world. For instance, Indian Railways, everything is online sale now. Online sale is going to happen, whether it's Walmart or somebody, everything is going to begin, at least a major part of it will go into online.
Yeah.
So Walmart has started and it definitely
Yeah. So a lot depends on how quickly you are able to
delivery systems have to be much
adapt to it. The fact that Walmart is not very successful is the reason that Walmart was a little slow and Amazon could